Hi friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. This is Balaji. In the earlier video, we seen that how to create a CSV file and how to save the CSV file in the particular desired file location. And in this video, we are going to see how to read a existing CSV file into the Python shell. So it is very easy to get the data from the CSV file from the existing, and we can manipulate the things going on there. Like see, import. We have to import. Let us see where the file location is. See here, we have 4 CSV files present here, and let's have the table here. Let's see what are the contents present in this table. So this table present location, miles, and some bulk amount of data is present here. We have to get the data here to the desired Python shell. So we have to copy the file location here, and we have to import pandas as PD, and we have to read the CSV file like a pd dot read CSV. We have to read that one like, or it is the read mode, and we have to paste the path here and slash, and we have to specify the name of the CSV file dot. We have to name the format of that also, and closing this quote. We have to assign this to a data frame. Let's print this data frame here. See here, these are the data present in this location. So this is how we are going to get the data from a CSV file to a Python shell. That's it guys. If you have any doubts regarding this, you can comment me in the below comment section. Thank you guys.